Home ownership costs can quickly add up when you consider mortgage, property taxes, and insurance. But there are programs designed to help. For example, if you are a senior citizen or a person with disabilities and your primary residence is in Washington State, you may qualify for a reduction in property taxes and/or special assessments.
So Washington State does have a program has several programs, but in this case we're talking about the Senior Citizen and Disabled Persons Exemption Program. What this program does, it helps reduce property taxes. The household income has to be under a certain amount, you have to meet a certain age requirement, or disabled.
To be eligible for this program, there are 3 essential requirements. First, you must be age 61 or older by December 31 of the assessment year, the year before the taxes are due, or deemed disabled by Social Security. Second, you must own and occupy the property as your primary residence. Finally, the household income has to be $40,000 or below. The Washington State Legislature has made major changes in the Senior Citizens, Disabled Persons, Veterans Exemption Program. These changes will take effect for taxes collected in 2020. The income limits will now be indexed at 65% the median household income in Clark County. The new income limit is $50,348 and below. Applications to apply for the Senior Exemption Program with the new income limits will be available in January 2020. Those who qualify will be exempt from excess levies, special levies, and also from the state's School Part 2 levy.
Because a lot of taxpayers are not aware of this program, it's always good to see if maybe they qualify for back years. They may be eligible to apply the current year and possibly 2 or 3 years back, depending on if they meet all the qualifications in that assessment year.
In order to apply for the Senior Citizen and Disabled Person Property Tax Exemption, complete the application found at clark.wa.gov/assessor. You may also get an application in person at the Clark County Public Service Center at 1300 Franklin Street.
Once they've been approved for the program and are on the exemption program, the state law says that we have to renew at least once every 6 years. So some applicants are put on a 6-year renewal cycle. It is a self-reporting program, so people do need to come in or call when they have any changes to either their income, their change in ownership, or they no longer live in the home. That's something that they do need to notify our office.
For more information about the Senior Citizen and Disabled Person Property Tax Exemption Program, visit the Clark County Assessor's website at clark.wa.gov/assessor or call 564-397-2391.